Hi, Hungries.
We're dads.
And this is Dad vs. Dad Gaming, and we are playing Relic Hunters.
Relic Hunters!
Now,
Okay,
we have upgraded and dyed our hair.
Yeah, look! We're totally unique now. Whoa!
Wait, we got a new
Okay, we gotta
skill
capture
as well.
these points.
Where's the point? Where did you go?
And we can't let them do it. Quick! Kill them all! Quick! Kill!
Where you went?
Where the thing told us to go.
Oh. So do we just capture this? How long does this take?
I don't know, 50 years? This is it though. They're coming,
No,
they're coming.
on the right of the screen, there's a thing. What did you...
Oh yeah, okay. I teleported off the screen.
Oh, by the way, push B and you'll freeze people.
What? That wasn't on my list of power-ups.
Did you pick the power up for the freeze?
I don't know. Like a shield thing happened when I did it. Well,
Oh my god.
there's so many of them. Okay, I just reached level 4. I'm just going to quickly swap out my guns to these level 4 weapons. Yes! Wow, shotgun sucks. I mean, it's probably
really
great.
slow.
It's just slow.
It's really slow, but it's very powerful.
Yeah. Okay, hang on. I
Oh,
saw
come on.
there was a thing.
That's it.
Ooh. Did we win? We broke it.
I'm just gonna punch this guy.
Ooh. Okay. Quickly to this point.
Wait, I need
Run!
bonus.
Run!
Where did you go?
To the next point. It's on the map. You're letting them win.
I'm not. You are.
I hate this gun.
What, the shotgun?
Nah, this other one.
Okay.
I think I hate all of the guns, to be honest. I can't wait to like level 50 guns. Okay, you hold the point. I'm getting treasures.
Like,
Whoa! This dude has a hectic machine gun. What? He's not there. Ah! Quick, save me. I burned to
where
death.
are you?
I'm to your right.
To my...
Up. Right.
Oh my god.
Quick, just run away. Come to me, help me. Help me.
You really messed me up here.
No.
Why were you so far away?
I was getting treasures and then this guy set me on fire. Whoops. Oh, I just... yeah, okay. Yeah, it's okay.
We gotta get on the thing.
Whoa. Yeah, I know. Quick, because the ducks can get it.
Yeah.
Whoa! Where did that come from? Man, watch out for those rockets. They are hectic.
Alright. I think it might be him.
Okay. The shotgun is actually great.
Yeah, it's so good, but it's so slow.
Watch out for that
I've got this
loser.
cool pistol thing.
I've got this, what you call it? You know what you call it.
Oh yeah.
Quick heal. You really need a potion.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Your health's like zero. What are you talking
But
about?
I'm on cooldown.
Oh.
Do you have freeze?
Nah.
Ah. Alright, turtle's done.
Okay. Run away.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Right, where's the next one?
Over here. South.
It is chaos, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're doing it.
Oh. Alright. I just gotta remember to,
Okay, they're coming. Well,
oh, okay, someone's got big bombs.
I like when you freeze them.
Yeah, what's your one? Do you have a freeze or anything?
No, I don't have a B power up. I don't know what consolation prize I got either.
Oh,
God.
so lucky. I just pinged off the edge,
Oh, I hate that.
but I pinged back around. Alright. Let them come to us.
No.
Oh my god, I've got 3 bullets left.
Yeah, good thing you didn't branch out and go anywhere. Thought that duck behind the thing was you. Well, frig. Oh, I hate those lasery things. No Diablo has those. Ah, oh god.
Alright, I gotta get behind him.
Ow. Oh. Oh my god, I'm very nearly dead. Oof. Okay. Ah, I'm frozen.
Oh no.
Yeah, what is happening?
Oh, we are very close.
Now the shotgun bullets. Killed the guy.
Okay. That is insane. I'm exhausted.
Well, yeah. That was really
we gotta
hectic.
Go there. We gotta go.
Okay, treasure. Come on, give me some cool guns.
Jeez, that messed me. Just,
Oof.
I feel like I held my breath for 10 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Okay, I wonder if I have to do another section. Oh, we did it. We win!
You know what?
Wow.
14 minutes. That's an episode.
That was really
Alright.
cool.
Hungries, thanks for joining us. This game is just gonna, we're just gonna keep playing for a little bit and see how
cool.
we go.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And it looks like there's quite a bit to get through, you know, like other dungeons and other levels, and the leveling up system, we're not going to show it here because it's a bit boring to
Yeah,
watch.
there's heaps of worlds and stuff.
Yeah, but like the upgrades are amazing, the clothing development you can change, like all of it's a lot of fun. So,
Yeah.
you know, if you're having fun watching, thank you. Keep watching.
Alright, bye, Hungries.
Bye, Hungries, bye.